Collecting valid evidence about practical activities that occur in a workplace has never been easier. In this short clip, we are going to show you how Ammonite's workplace activity recorder is used to gather practical or on-the-job evidence to help verify where, when, and how many times the practical aspects of a unit of competency have been completed. The Work Activity Recorder is an extremely easy-to-use web-based application that works on all modern devices, including any smartphones. Let's look at how a student would add an entry for some scaffolding work that they have been working on. To make life easy, the date defaults to the current date. If the entry is for a previous date, they just tap the date field and select the appropriate date from the calendar. If the students are working on the same site and being supervised by the same people as the previous entry, they just need to tick these boxes and the Work Activity Recorder populates the text fields automatically. Each unit of competency has an associated group of practical tasks. For this example, the student selects scaffolding and then taps the tasks that they have been performing. From there, they can attach any photographic or video evidence. When they are happy, they simply hit submit and all the data is uploaded. Instantly, this entry and all the evidence is added to the student's work history portfolio and other monitoring reports. The trainer monitors and verifies all the practical tasks and supporting evidence with the employer or supervisor. Another report automatically generated by the workplace activity entries is the third-party report. This report helps the trainer to gather sufficient evidence to make a sound judgment about an individual's ability to perform to the expected workplace standards. This report, together with all the completed underpinning knowledge and continual monitoring, enables the trainer to make judgments about the student's competence. The Workplace Activity Report is a great resource for the students too, as they can use it as a portfolio evidence for trade licenses, for example, subcontractors or builders licenses. At a glance, the trainers, employers and students can use the Workplace Activity Summary Report to monitor the student's exposure to the required practical activities. If it is evident that a student is falling behind the practical activities in one unit but has had exposure in another unit, then, with agreement, the training plan can be modified in seconds.